In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide your menu bar on your Mac. So as you can see up here at the top of my screen, there is a bar that goes all the way across. If you're in an application, it tells you what application is active, gives you some options over here, like you can see my screen recording software, you can see some weather, some Wi-Fi, and some other widgets, as well as the date. In order to hide the menu bar, you want to go ahead and open up your system preferences by going into Spotlight or this magnifying glass and search for system settings. So go ahead and go into your system settings now. Once you are here on the left-hand sidebar, you're going to see an option here that says menu bar. Click into menu bar. And then at the very top, you will see an option that says automatically hide and show the menu bar. So right now it is set to never, which means that it's always going to show. But if I set this to always, it means that it's always going to be hidden. Now, as you can see at the top of my screen, it is no longer visible unless I hover my mouse at the top of my screen. Now I can see that menu bar, but if I hover off of it, it automatically disappears. There are two other options. There is an option that says on desktop only. What this one means is it'll only show in an app. And then the other one where it says in full screen, that's only when you're in a full screen. So right now I'm in full screen so you can see the menu bar. But if it is hidden and this is set to always and you want to unhide the menu bar, hit this drop down, go to never, and as you can see, your menu bar is back where it should be. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.